look like tomboy. What does that mean? Well, I think I'm a girl. I know I'm a girl. But yes. Hello!
Hello, how are you?
Awesome, awesome. So, if you can see, I have dressed up, and the special occasion is Nandita's birthday!
Oh, thank you.
Yes, this is my
Thank
birthday
you
dress for
so
you
much.
because
Thank you so much.
yes. So, let me sing you a birthday song, please. Happy
Just 1 minute. Wait, one
birthday
minute.
to
Pause, pause,
you.
pause.
Okay, okay. I'm very
Just
excited.
pause for 2 minutes. I need to just get one setting done
Yeah,
correctly.
yeah, yeah.
I need to just get one setting done correctly.
Yeah.
I need to. Okay. Set so I can keep recording this. All right.
Yes.
Great. Yes, you
Now
can
can
start.
I sing? Happy
Yes.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nandita. Happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday to
you. Woo! I'm so
Thank you
happy.
so much.
I'm so happy that it's your birthday today, 1st May, and it's just a beautiful beginning. How
Thank
you
you
feel?
so much. Yes, I'm very happy that this fitness session is starting on a very good day, May Day, Labor
Yes.
Day. So that way. So anyway,
Yeah.
so let the questions begin.
Yes.
So it's like, tell me, I've gone through your profile and I find that all right, you're a lot into dance and you're into fitness. So what was your first passion?
So my first passion was always dance and music. So when I was a kid, I started learning Indian classical music when I was 3 years old, and I kept learning music, and I never got a chance to learn dancing. Then when I shifted to Delhi for my further studies, I joined Shamak Dawaz International, and I started learning dancing with them, and I joined this project called Zangura in Kingdom of Dreams, and I started performing as a theatrical artist with them, as a dancer, as a singer, as a performer. And that was my first movement professionally, like movement artist, on a big basis. And then I shifted to Bombay and I started studying fitness more, because there I realized that the showbiz is not giving me the lifestyle I want to pursue. And I started moving more, where I came across my biggest inspiration of life. Her name is Meher Malik, and she's a belly dance teacher, a movement artist. And I started learning with her, and she herself is a vegan. And yeah, and so she was my most biggest inspiration. And when I started learning fitness, like I started studying more about nutrition, therapies, and a lot to do with movement, body movement. I started doing Ashtanga yoga. So I tried a lot of fitness regime and when I ultimately met one of the biggest person, because of whom you can see me transform physically. His name is Gunjan Sharma. So I trained with Gunjan sir for like more than 1.5 year. And
Okay.
yeah, and so he was my biggest inspiration. And also Kishle sir, who is also from the same company, Fit Flexible Fitness, and Chandan sir. So basically, I have always been a student. I love being a student as much as I love being a teacher. I have learned from various teachers. So I don't think that any one person is responsible for my transformation. But yes, Meher ma'am, like Meher, she's like my soul sister and she's my like elder sister. I would say that she has been solely responsible for, with the kind of movement I do. Yeah.
Awesome.
So, and the training which makes my veins pop up now is because of Gunjan sir, Kishle sir, Chandan sir. So all these, they are from the same family, from same background. And I turned vegan in 2018 after studying a lot, researching a lot of it. And when I met Gunjan sir, he also like made me understand the importance of nutrition. I have studied nutrition, differently, but specifically, but it was very like, structured to a macro, micro, protein, carbs, like very surface level knowledge. But when I saw Gunjan sir's, physical fitness, and with being a vegan, I was really like, inspired to know and study more. And along with Gunjan sir, I did a nutrition course from the Health Awareness Center in Worldly, where I, Gunjan sir, Kishle sir, we all went together and we studied nutrition.
Awesome.
And it is beyond veganism, which means zero waste, sustainable, how to plant your own herbs, what to wear, how sustainable you can be when you are like, eating or wearing a cloth, or, moving your equipments, everything, like basically a whole life, like, circles around sustainability. And right now, when it comes to physical training, I'm training with Kushan sir, and he's my gymnastics teacher, and he's also a vegan. So a lot many vegans in my life, who inspires me and pushes me.